Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Katina. This channel is all about entrepreneurship. I help entrepreneurs and small businesses grow their business with business credit, with business funding, and with social media marketing strategies to grow their sales in new and unique ways. Now, a little bit about me. My background is real estate. So if you look at some of my older videos, you'll see houses and so much information about being a realtor. I've been in real estate for 20 plus years. All right. I started as an investor way back in '01, and then I became a realtor, and I even have experience as a real estate broker owner. So I will always throw some real estate information in there, trust me. So I'm still a practicing realtor, but primarily these days I help businesses to get business credit and funding, and we do have some free workshops. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. This channel is bomb. All right. So I'm here for all the entrepreneurs and small businesses, and I'm really looking forward to growing our businesses to the next level together. All right. So press that subscribe button. I am posting new videos every single week. So press that bell notification too. This way you get notified when a new video posts. Before you go, let me know in the comments, what type of video are you looking forward to seeing most? Is it real estate? Is it business credit? Is it funding, or is it social media marketing and making money online? Let me know in the comments so I can do more of that. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.